Dental X-ray device. Operation demonstration. First, unscrew the cover and attach the long lead cylinder. Press the power button 2 seconds to power on. Enter the main interface. You can choose the tooth position to be shot. Can choose between adult mode and child mode, maxilla or mandible. Press up and down buttons to adjust exposure time. Device settings. Remote control optional for exposure. You can settings for language, sensor or film, auto power off time, etc. Long press the exposure button to expose. The charging port is at the bottom. Use the charging cable to charge. Enjoy using. Thank you.